alam mo, hindi mo naman kasi talaga kailangan na bumili ng property inside BGC just to feel luxury. Or pwede rin namang sa malapit lang, di ba? Meron akong favorite na project na ipapakita sa inyo. 35 square meter to na 1-bedroom unit. Tara, check natin. This is the 1-bedroom unit in One West Park Residence. Semi-furnished na to, complete with European brand deliverables kapag nag-turnover na yung unit mo. Hotel type na rin ng mga amenities, pet-friendly, kaya very perfect talaga for personal use or for rental business ang property na to. Especially kung for Airbnb, since lahat ng mga amenities dito is for free. Comment OWPR kung until now pinapanood mo to para masendan kita ng details. Walking distance ang area sa mga malls, international offices, international schools, hospital, and 15 to 20 minutes away only from international airport. The total price for this unit is only 13 million pesos and we offer this with no spot down payment, 5 years payment plan at 0% interest. Monthly amortization here is only 18,000 pesos per month plus 750,000 pesos yearly down payment. So if you're interested with this unit, inquire now.